Harley eating his dinner. Oh, Mr. Harley dog. Whatcha? Oh, that dinner, Mr. Harley dog. Mr. Harley. Oh, Mr. Harley Harley. Oh, Mr. Harley dog. Oh. Mr. Harley dog. Oh, has she eaten a big dentist? Harley dog. You ate a big dentist. Oh, it is all done. Oh, Mr. Harley Floppy has all finished his dinner. Oh, Harley. You floppy dentist. Oh, you're done. Oh, Mr. Harley dog. I don't think you'll get any more out of it. Right, come on. Come on. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Good boy. What are you doing, Mr. Harley? Oh, Mr. Harley. Was that nice? Oh, Mr. Harley dog. Is that nice? You lie down. Lie down. Big flop flop. Oh, Mr. Harley, big floppy flop. Oh, Mr. Harley with a big fat belly. Oh, Mr. Harley with a big flat belly.
Lewis Hamilton. So it was a 144 that Sebastian did, and Lewis Hamilton, you did it in
Mr. Harley dog
1:40.
with a big fat belly. Mr. Harley dog. Mr. Harley.
I'm really surprised.
Piss off!
It's been months and you guys wouldn't even tell me.
No, I know, we never told you.
And I was thinking to myself, I'm so disappointed.
Will you turn that light off?
At competitive time.
Anyway, he's now hung himself. And obviously everybody here is